Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today I've got a clock spring and a steering angle sensor, which is that one there. So steering angle sensor is this one here. Sorry. This one here is a steering angle sensor. And this one here is your clock spring. So they come in pieces. So to do this job, you got to strip down the whole steering wheel out, everything out, airbag out, and then you got to strip this down, and you're going to take the part off. So this is the actual, you got to remove that off the actual indicator stalk. So you got to unclip that one there and unclip that one there. Once you do that, then you can remove the whole thing. Just slide it off this way, because the pins are here. Have a look inside there. There's pins in there. Alright, they're connected. Those pins are these pins here, like that. And you got to put that one on first to this one before you take that one off. That's to line everything up. Okay, see that? Has to go inside here. But sorry, that one there is to protect, to stop this one from moving around, and to protect that from getting damaged. So as well, so that can always go last, this one here. But the main thing is to put that one back on. If you look at the little arrow there, that little arrow have to line up with that arrow there, just like that. Remember that. So if you look at it closely, that one there, those pins have to go on those pins there, but gently put them on. Don't really push it too hard. It has to be very gentle, otherwise you break it. So it's got to go sort of this way. Alright, see, like that. And from the other side, the pin, see those two, that one there, there's a lock there, and there's another lock there that's got to come through there, through that hole there. See how it's nearly in there? So just put it in slowly, move it around. See, that's nearly in, that's nearly on the clip, and that's nearly coming through the hole. There's the lock. Look closely inside there. That's, see that little aluminium. Put it down. That aluminium piece there, it's gonna come through that hole. That's to line the whole thing up, and make sure those little holes there, 1, 2, 3, lines up with the hole for the screws to go on properly. So take your time, don't rush, because otherwise you break things. So now everything is on, so the clip is clipped on. You can see it there, that one there, and then the other clip comes through the hole from the bottom into there, and then you can see here it's all plugged in properly here, and everything is lined up like that. And the new clock spring, you have to slide the new clock spring on to those one there. See those clips, those pins there? There's some of those pins there on the side there. That clock spring have to slide onto it, and it's very hard to show you one hand, but it has to slide on like that, like this. See the pins? The pins have to go on there, and those pins at the top have to go on top there. See those pinholes there? Those have to line up properly. Alright, like that. And that will come off later when you finish putting everything back together. Take that off when you have this on the steering wheel lined up. When you're ready to take everything, to put the steering wheel on, then you take this one off. Alright, now everything's assembled, so you can see. Lock spring is in now. Now I'm gonna install this on the car, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Hope this will help somebody out there doing this job here. Make sure you line up the marks. Make it easier to actually do the calibration.